Okay, so here's our controller setup for both the arm and the gripper servo. We just essentially have a D-pad with 4 buttons. These two actually, this lowers and this raises the train. Then this closes and opens it. Okay, and then here's our code for how we're actually controlling the gripper and the train. We just have simple if statements that are keeping track of the state of the buttons. When one of the buttons is pressed and the other one is not, it goes into this gripper position variable, and then the train variable has its own variable. They are increased by a servo speed amount, which right now we have set to 5, but we can change that. Then they're both ran through this limit position function that is just taking in the position, the matches and mins, and making sure that if it's greater than the match, then it is equal to the match. And if it's less than the min, it is equal to the min. And then returning that back here. And then it just goes ahead and writes that to the servos. And it's the same thing for both the train and the gripper. And then here's our robot moving up and down. Up, down. And then our gripper closing. And go ahead and open it. So that's our robot moving. And then if you come over here to the code, you can see that the limit position function from earlier is working and setting them equal to this match value. So for right now, we're printing the train's position. You can see it's being limited to this 140 value, and it's never increasing. Can you go ahead and drop the robot, Jordan? And then if you see on the code, it's going to this minimum value of 50, and as it's printing right there, that value is not going past it. We're not touching the floor or anything. Go ahead. And here's our gripper closing all the way to its max value. And then if you see over here on the code, we are printing the gripper position, matching out at a value of 129. Now look at the gripper open, opens all the way, come back here. Gripper min is 50. We're printing the gripper position, it's 50. It's not going anywhere past that, so all of our limiters are working.